There's nothing like hitting the road on an outdoor adventure. Accidents happen in a flash, so you need to be prepared. Luckily, you can carry a first aid kit in your vehicle. Until, yes, that frown says it all. Can you really find what you need in a kit like that? Luckily, there's a different way. Introducing the Surviveware Large First Aid Kit. Heavy-duty zippers designed to protect your supplies. Reflective lining for visibility. 600D polyester ripstop material. With premium quality internal supplies. With bonus 50-piece mini kit. And removable MOLLE-compatible panel. It can be strapped to almost anything. Portable and versatile. Great for at home or the workshop. Water resistant to prevent damage. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an outdoor system for you and your loved one's safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.